So today it's a really cold January day. We have just got the sun back for just a few days ago, and it's about 10, 11 minus degrees today. And I haven't had the tractor turned on in about I think 3 weeks, something like that. It has been cold the whole time since I last started it, so today I'm excited about if it will start or not. So let's find out. As you can see, it's pretty frozen. Okay, so let's find out. As you can see, it started quite easy, and I didn't blow it a lot either. I actually should have blown it a little bit more, because as I said, I haven't started it in about 3 weeks, and we have had very cold temperatures all the time. So you can see it was a little slow in the beginning, but now it's just fine, and I will have it going a little bit and drive it a little bit also, because it's so long since I have used it. And the reason I haven't used the tractor for so long is simply because we haven't had any snow yet. Actually, as you can see, we don't have almost any snow in the mountains either, just a little bit. But it's quite typically for our area. Another thing that comes in handy when it's as cold as it is now is this one here, ice spray for locks and hinges and stuff like that. So that. And like that. Still very frozen, so it's gonna take a time before it is melted. Well, I'm quite impressed about how easy it started. As I said, I haven't started the engine for about 3 weeks, and we had very cold every day since. I guess we started to have frost about around New Year's Eve or something like that, and since we haven't had snow so far, I actually haven't needed to use the tractor, so it has just standed here. I didn't blow it a lot either, and you could see it was a little slow, so I guess if I blowed it a little bit more, it would have turned on you know, just like normal. So I think it's quite impressive. Starts really nice in the cold weather, I have to say. That's it for today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.